At Sumo Logic, we believe you shouldn't have to hunt for the data you need, which is why we build the platform to be intuitive and easy to navigate. Let's take a look. Starting from the Overview dashboard, I can get a high-level view of my AWS services. To check on a specific service, I can just expand the Explore menu on the left and jump into the region and service I'm interested in. Let's check out EC2 in our US East 1 region. Here, I can get an overview of all of the EC2 instances and a snapshot of which ones have high CPU or memory utilization. I can click on one of the honeycombs to find out more. Because Sumo Logic uses a single schema for tagging logs and metrics, I can easily pivot from this metric about memory usage to the logs associated with this instance. I can also jump to related dashboards. Let's jump to the dashboard for this specific entity. Now I can drill into the specifics of what is happening with this EC2 instance, or toggle to additional out-of-the-box dashboards to look at everything that might be relevant for investigating a high memory issue. Now let's take a look at Lambda. I can see right away that we are experiencing a large number of errors. These dashboards were meticulously designed with industry best practices for each unique service type, so the information I need is right here. I can quickly identify which function is responsible for the errors and filter for just that function to find out more. Now I can see which are the most frequent operations for that function. One of these looks particularly suspicious, the update function configuration operation. I can pivot to the log messages about this function and in a few clicks identify the user that made the changes. Because we have taken care to unify the metrics and logs for each entry sending data, finding these issues was a breeze. Beyond just providing you the data, Sumo Logic goes above and beyond other monitoring tools by making it easy to connect the dots between alerting metrics and the root cause. That's it for the troubleshooting overview. Next, we'll take a look at how to expedite root cause analysis in situations where it might be not so obvious.